How to fix Amazon Prime Video not filling screen. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can fix if Prime Video is not filling the screen. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So sometimes what happens is that unlike Netflix, where you just use the gestures to swipe in and swipe out in order to zoom in and zoom out the Netflix and Amazon screen, but on Prime Video, unfortunately that's not the case. It's a little bit tricky, but you can get the job done. So first of all, make sure you have updated the Prime Video app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your device's respective app stores, in the search box typing in Amazon Prime, and go ahead and simply either download or update the application. Once you've updated the Amazon Prime application, just go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. So first of all, if I just go ahead and then play any of these random shows over here, I'll just go ahead by showing you. If I just take it somewhere in between, as you can see over here that it is not actually on the full screen. So if I just go ahead and zoom out the maximum brightness as well, you'll be able to notice that it is currently not in the full screen mode. So why this happens is because I'll also show you how you can fix it. So I'll just go ahead and first of all also change the brightness. As you can see, the right and the left hand side is actually empty over here. I'm not sure if it's really visible to you, but it's just basically empty. So as you can see over here, the right and the left edges. So in order to fix that on Netflix, how it works is that you just need to just swipe the gestures like this, but you can see unfortunately on Prime Video it just doesn't work. So how do we fill the screen? In order to fill the screen, just tap on the three dots on the top right corner and then select this button which says zoom. Once you tap on the zoom button, and now you can basically see that we have successfully zoomed to the fullest screen available. So once again you can just go ahead and zoom out, then you can see it will just shrink back to its original version. But when you select zoom, then it's just basically going to go ahead and then zoom itself. And this is how you can fix if Prime Video is not filling the screen. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.